But hi guys, welcome to. Okay, you wanna do it? Ready? 1, 2.
Wait, I'm in full prepared. I'm sorry, I wasn't ready. Okay, I'm ready.
All right. 1, 2, 3.
What's
good? Alright, 1.
I'm still lagging. I'm sorry.
2.
I'm sorry.
3.
What's good? It's Lay.
And it's your girl Sura. I was about to say some other shit.
And welcome back
To the channel.
to the channel.
To the channel. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you saw the whatever to this video, then you know that we're about to make, a low budget, little snack night vibe type thing. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for balling on a budget. Nothing wrong with that. You know what I'm saying? Hey, nothing wrong with that.
Okay.
So we're about to prepare a $16 little meal. You know what I'm saying? Using some chicken, some lunch meat chicken. So what we're gonna do first is probably just open it, of course.
I want to say it, but I don't want to jinx it. So
What?
I was gonna say don't throw the chicken on the floor. 'Cause,
Wow,
in my
that'd be
head,
crazy.
I just imagined you opening it and the chicken flying up.
That'd be crazy. Okay, I'm gonna give you half,
Oh, okay.
and then I'm gonna do half. We're gonna shred it up and put it inside this bucket. And we're using the container that the chicken came in, and it actually is resealable. Like, so just like, comment, and subscribe, because that's a vibe, bro. You don't have to buy no extra. You don't have to use no dishes. Like, literally, you just do this. 5-10 minutes. All right. So
5-10 minutes.
that's it.
I feel like it's gonna take us 5-10 minutes to break up this chicken.
I think I gave you more. Wow, that's crazy. That's crazy.
Babe.
So, babe, how you gonna be like that and you're the chef of the group? Like, you're the one that cooks. Like,
So I'm tired of cooking. That's the problem. I'm the one that cooks.
okay. Babe, don't say it like you just cook for me 24/7 and I don't ever do nothing for you. That's crazy.
That's not what I mean.
Okay.
I mean, I'm always cooking. Like, even when I have orders, I'm cooking.
Yeah.
Always in the kitchen.
Matter of fact, speaking of orders, you know what I'm saying? Go like, comment, subscribe, first of all, and then go to my baby's page and go buy Easter basket, because
Why not?
why not go support? And they look cute, you know what I'm saying? They look cute, so. I might buy me a D1. You put me buying for me?
Yeah.
I might buy me a D1. Because I like that, I think it's Spider-Man or something.
Yeah.
How much are those?
The chairs.
Yeah.
The chairs are $65.
65. And they come with, like, treats, too?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. It's like a chair full of treats.
The chair is literally candy and toys, mostly candy.
Is he going to get to sit in this chair, or is it not like
Yes,
a real
it's a chair.
Okay.
Like, once he take all his goodies off of it, it's a chair. Like,
Okay. And we did wash our hands, so just not too much on
right.
it. Not too much on it.
It's the fact of you dropping chicken on top of my head.
I'm sorry.
See, look at the difference between me chopping up the chicken and you
What's wrong with mine?
It's big.
Mine's big?
Yeah.
Because, babe, I'm not about to sit here. I'm not. Who do you think this is?
See,
I'm
you
tired of
need to give
cooking
me
too.
the most.
You know what I do for a living right now? I'm tired of cooking too, damn it. I don't.
Why you cuss it?
Because. I don't know. You're right. It was an uncalled for. I'm sorry. Sometimes, guys, you have to apologize when you're wrong. That's how you win your woman over. Know when to apologize.
So you only apologize to women over?
Yeah. Exactly.
Oh, wow.
Tell her that.
Oh, wow.
Women.
Okay.
Ain't that right, fellas?
Like, comment, and subscribe.
Ain't that right, fellas? Crazy. I'm getting carpal tunnel. My shit's starting to cramp up. Hopefully I'm not switching. Oh, shit. Y'all, my hand dead ass cramping, y'all. Like, it's crazy.
So you couldn't braid? Is what I'm
No,
hearing.
fuck no. Listen, I will forever pay somebody to do my little girl or my little boy hair forever. Like, and would not be ashamed of it at all. Like, wouldn't care. Like, just be like, look. Or marry a woman. Or marry a woman.
Well, I know how to do hair for the most part.
Hair. It's really that simple.
I know how to do hair for the most part. All my family members who hair I do have really thick, long hair. Like, it just be, the struggle be real.
Mm-hmm. I don't know. She braided my hair one time and then she said she was never doing it again. So I don't know if it's because I'm a bad client or like a bad person in the chair or she just didn't want to do it anymore. Or my hair was bad. Like, I don't know what. But she's like, I'm not doing that again. I'm like, yo, damn. Like,
No.
you didn't even give it a chance. Like, you did it one time. Like, you didn't even give it a chance to really not like it or like it. Like, it's crazy. And this actually made a lot of chicken.
Yeah.
Actually. It made a lot of chicken. I'm gonna show y'all. We're gonna show y'all.
I'm done.
I'm really done.
That's because you made it big.
Well, you want to go back and cut it a little?
I could.
Do that.
I probably was going to do that anyway in my head.
Okay.
I think that was the thing.
All the chicken's done, guys. I'm throw this away.
See, look at you. You could help me out just a little bit.
It's not even that big. I feel like mine's is shredded chicken. Yours is like ground up chicken. Yours is ground chicken. Mine's shredded.
It's not ground. It's just not chunks.
What's wrong with chunks?
I don't want to be chunks of chicken.
Like, comment, and subscribe if you like chunks of chicken in your mouth.
Okay.
My bad. That wasn't it. My bad. Oh, my bad. That wasn't it. That one wasn't it. That one wasn't it. That wasn't it.
What?
Trial and error. Trial and error.
Like, comment, and subscribe. You like chunks of chicken in your mouth. If you just like chunks of chicken in your mouth, like, just let us know.
Babe, you done? Are you done? I said that was a miss. That was a miss. That was a miss. That was a miss. It's okay. Everybody has their moments.
Yeah.
I think you got chicken on your face. Why you talking to me? I'm not on lint.
Where lint come from?
Linty ass.
I'm linty?
Yeah, you got that static electricity. That motherfucker won't leave, dog. What the fuck?
You can't even see it on camera.
I can see it.
Okay.
Alright,
Let me go wash my hands again.
I'm not gonna do that because we're
Still
gonna need
gotta
to mix it. Mm-hmm. Alright, so this is the amount of chicken it made. It filled up the bowl. Pretty decent amount of chicken, guys. You think so, babe?
Yeah.
You think we're gonna get done with this?
Yeah.
We're gonna eat it all? I might eat it all.
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe.
But yeah, it is what the chicken looks like. Alright. So now, what do you want to do first? What do you want to do first?
Let's do it at the same time.
Do it at the same time? That's cute. Okay. Alright, guys. We're going to do our love pour.
Okay.
Do that same time. I'm ranch. I'm the mild one. You know what I'm saying?
So you
And
just
she's
gonna take the whole
hot and
top
spicy.
off?
Yeah, she's the hot and spicy.
No, the hot sauce gonna come out too fast. This is gonna
Babe, look how little that hot sauce fucking coming out. Come on.
I ain't know it was that thick. Like
two squirts of hot sauce came out. Like,
I thought it was gonna come out too fast.
you right? I said plopping. I don't know. It's really pouring.
Are we gonna do the whole bottle? Like
Probably not. Let me see. Let's see what that looks like.
mixed up?
You want to mix it or should I? I'll do it. Man. Go for it.
I'm gonna be washing my hand for days. Take the bracelets off.
No, you're doing too much. I'll do it.
Okay, I just don't want chunks of meat in my bracelet. It's gonna be a bit.
I'll do it. I do it. Yeah, y'all. Might have to put a little bit more ranch in it, but yeah, y'all.
It smells good.
It smells delightful, guys. Like, literally, like for real, bro. Like,
And once again, we cleaned our hands, but I mean, we the only people eating it anyway. So I just feel like,
just keep calm on us.
Okay.
now, if it was something that we was preparing for other people, of course we would, you know, not use our hands. But
How you feel? What does it look like? You need some more? Or?
I feel maybe a little bit more ranch.
Okay.
How does it taste?
We don't know.
I think I might vibe.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. I don't think I want to add no more nothing.
You want to add?
This is vibing. I'm vibing. That's good.
Oh. I don't really need no salt. That lunch meat was going to be salty already. Yes, I'm licking my fingers. That's what we're doing in Southwest Georgia.
Gotta show the people. Buffalo chicken dip.
Oh, wait, it's not mixed right there.
Yeah, that's what I was at the bottom at all.
That's the chip. That's why you probably should have did. I hear somebody wash my hands. Don't do me. I don't want to hear it.
So you got buffalo ranch, chicken dip, and it's a vibe. If I can get it.
Yeah, ready? You want to do it?
Wait.
Vibes.
I like it.
Vibes.
I think this is something I might start doing on the regular.
Vibes, yo. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe for big vibes. Like we said, a little quick 10-minute meal. You know what I'm saying? You can substitute, add, subtract as you see fit. You know what I'm saying? You can use rotisserie chicken if you want, you know, from the deli. You can use whatever you want. Add to your liking, bet that's one.
You don't want me drinking at your drink? That's crazy.
Do you backwards? Because that'd be good. Huh?
No.
How you know? Nobody ever said about you spinning the drink?
No.
Oh. You can drink after me, man, but you already opened it.
It don't really matter.
Mm-hmm. Yo. Big vibes.
Big vibes.
Well,
This lighting.
it's not it, huh?
Mm-mm.
Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, man, because
What if we start a series?
$16, you can't beat that.
What if we start a series on cheap?
Easy to do meals.
Yeah.
Would y'all watch it? Would y'all watch it? For real, don't lie. Would y'all watch it? That's it. Would y'all watch it? Okay. Now, we're gonna drop it anyway, even if y'all don't watch it. But what I'm saying is, you gonna watch it. You gonna watch it. One more time for the camera. $16. Really $15.77.
And we got something to drink.
And we got something to drink. Period. So maybe we'll see you next time, guys. We're gonna kill this shit. And yeah, love you. Like, comment, subscribe. See you guys later.
See you later.